welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be drawing Godzilla Evolved. Let's get started. I'm going to start about Godzilla Evolved's head. He's going to be around up here, I think. So he's going to be I guess we could make it right there. And so just going to make it go down. And so just gonna have some of Godzilla's spikes are gonna be coming up right there. So it's gonna be like that, starting off. And so we can stop adding those spikes because we're gonna get to the big spikes later. So then his back is gonna come down. So we're gonna start with his head first. So I'm gonna make it coming out. And so we're gonna make it a beak first, and we're gonna make it like that. We're gonna have his fleshy thing right there. And so now, just gonna have his bottom jaw, just gonna coming down, and the other side of his top jaw just gonna be like that. So we're not gonna bring it down all the way because his tongue is going to be right there. So his tongue is just gonna be laying on his mouth like that. So also, if you want to make the bottom of his jaw more realistic, I guess we can do this. You can make it that. So wait, no, I don't want to do that. So I guess I'm just gonna bring it up like this. And those things are just gonna, those spikes are just gonna be right there. And so now we're gonna draw his neck. So his neck is just gonna come down like that. And just gonna be like that. So it's gonna be like that. And so then his back is just gonna come like there. We're gonna stop right there because his arm is gonna be right there. So before we do all that stuff, we're gonna get all the details of his head first. So I'm gonna so this part is just gonna I'm gonna make his brow. It's gonna come. No, just gonna get a different pencil and it's gonna stay straight at first and then it's gonna come like that. And so it's gonna be like that, and I'm gonna have his eye section just about like that. We can also add that right there. And so now I'm just gonna add some teeth. So yeah, it's just gonna be a bit like that. And so now we're just gonna draw his arm. So his arm just gonna come right here and it's just gonna like that. So, and then we're gonna have his claws. So they come yeah, I didn't want them to go off of the paper, but I guess they're gonna have to. So so they're gonna come down now. So his arm is gonna come down and his bump is gonna come like that. And so I think it just goes like that. I recommend pencil and eraser for this tutorial. So I'm going to bring that like that, and bring his last finger right there. Alright, so I'm gonna like fix that part. I think it's like, so it's going to be like, I'll make that part come like that. Erase that part, and this part is just gonna come like this. So yeah, just more like that. And so now we can like make these lines look like they're drawn hard. I've only been taking 7 minutes. Also, I need to like make that smooth. So just gonna have it like that instead. And so yeah, just like that. And so yeah, I'm just gonna like, now we're gonna have his skills. So his skills just kind of like here. So yeah, they just like kind of like on the side. You can add just some more detail. So yeah, got that so far, and now I'm going to bring this down, and let's see, it's gonna like end like that. Yeah, so we've got that now, so yeah. And so now we're gonna like add his back. It's gonna be like coming down. And yeah, just like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna zoom in a bit. And so yeah, now we can add like some details. So I want to like make this picture like a bit more detailed. And we're going to make it detailed. So, well, not like detail, just like kind of. So I'm gonna like make a split right there, whatever you want to call it. So like now I'm gonna add like these like things on Godzilla's chest. So like these things, like I don't know why they made them, but I don't really like them, but I'm just gonna draw them. And also, if you're drawing these, you can also like try to make some sort of like bump right there too, just to make it look like a bit more, you know. Okay, so I realized I drew those too big. Yeah, and I also don't want them big. Do not like when they're big. Yeah, that's big enough. Big enough. And so yeah, we have got all that now. So going to bring his other arm down like that, and so it's just gonna like go like that. So I'm using like a different paper. So if you're a subscriber, you know, like you usually use a bigger paper, but I'm just not. But if you're like, yeah, I use a bigger paper, but it's just not in this video. So we got those details right there. Guess we can zoom out a bit now. And so yeah, I've got all that. And so now we can like draw these spikes. Yeah, so like you don't want to draw them like big from here. just gonna be like kind of small, and yeah, just gonna be not too big. We can also add some detail in here too. So yeah, we have got that, all of that done. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna, now also if you realizing this video is a lot different than my usual videos, it's also because I want to get a better view duration. Because my view durations before used to be very well, so I wanted to like try to get that back again. Average view duration is like 2 minutes. It used to be like 3 minutes, or 2 to 4 minutes, or like 2 to 1 minute. So I'm working on improving those. So yeah, we've got that done. It's also taking like a lot shorter than I actually expected it to. So just going to make that part in a bit more. And yeah, we have almost finished that. So yeah, I don't know what to add else. Yeah, we can also add some, like, there's always going to be some stuff on Godzilla too. Yeah, we can just like start to thicken up some lines, and that's basically it. We don't have to like do that much stuff else. Yeah, this picture was, yeah, this was good to me. I liked it, but now I'm thinking about drawing the eye. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna draw the eye on this one. Maybe you can just draw your own eye. I never really like drew the eye that much, so. I haven't, like, recently I haven't like, been drawing the eye, but you can draw the eye, I'm just not. So yeah, thinking about what detail to put now. So, add some nice section right there, and yeah, we don't really have that much else to put, so. Yeah, I wanted to use like a small, if you're a subscriber, I am using a small paper, and I just use them because I wanted to get a better view duration, so, but I still get the same amount of detail, so yeah, I'm almost done with this tutorial. Just need to add a bit more stuff, so yeah, we've got all of that in now, so yeah. So I realized I want to like fix this. I'm going to like make this like coming in. Like I want it to be like, I don't know, like I need it to be like about like, just like the brown needs to be farther up. So just gonna like that. That tricks it. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna have it like that, so just gonna have it how I did before, so yeah, it's just gonna stay like that. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I have not been gaining that much subs, so I've done all of that now. And yeah, we can just start to think a bit more lines. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.